Hi, and welcome to another episode of Mr. Puzzle. Easter is coming, and this video is dedicated to all the desperate housewives and house husbands who suffer from blowout eggs during the Easter time. I have to admit, I resigned after the first egg, and my son requested to do more because he would like to turn these into these, and my absolute respect to everyone who can do a complete box in a row. That's fantastic, but I cannot do it. Therefore, however, I thought about another solution. The result you're gonna see now, and I'll call it the German way to blow out an egg. Oh. Whoa!